Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin, and this is day 3 of my special Flaviar Advent Whiskey Calendar series. I have a playlist for it if you missed the first 2 days, and there'll be links at the end of the video too. If you just want to watch this one and then go back and watch the others, there's no specific sequence. This is not sponsored by Flaviar. It's just, I enjoy their calendar. It has great variety in it, and any Advent calendar, as far as I'm concerned, to taste whiskeys is wonderful. This one happens to be the one I could get, and I'm very happy with it. So let's dig in. This is day 3, so I have to pull out the bottle for day 3 over here. This is always tricky. All right, this is bottle 3. Now I'm not looking even at the label because I don't want to even see the country of origin. The rest of the information is on these cards. There's a Flaviar tasting spiral that gives you all the notes. There's information about the distillery, and I'll save that to the end for maximum embarrassment. There's a Flaviar Glencairn glass that comes with it, which is very nice. And the bottles are 50 milliliters. So I'm going to go for the guessing of the whiskey as I pour this. See how good I get with my 25 milliliter pour there. Not too bad. I think I'm pretty accurate. The thing about the Whiskeys of the World Advent Calendar is there's variety to the extreme. The first one was an Irish whiskey from a distillery that I didn't even know of. The second one was an Italian single malt, or Italian blended, but it was a malt whiskey. And never heard of that distillery either. Apparently it's in the northern Italian region. And this one is who knows what. This is a familiar note. It's sweeter, but it's very caramel. I'm getting honey. Doesn't seem like it's a very potent whiskey. Seems like it's a low ABV. There's kind of a vegetal smell, like plants, like a forest. And there's a spicy smell in there that I can't quite pick out. Oh, there's a spice. There's a lot of wood spice in there. I'm getting some, like an anise, maybe a licoricey smell. Wow. Okay, that's different. I don't have a clue. I'm going to guess that this is, because of that licorice taste, it seems like it might be a rye. But then again, I kind of thought yesterday it was a rye, and I was totally wrong. Eeks. I've got a lot of rye notes on the nose. This would be really nice if I got one right. Let's see. The bottle tells me that this is a product of Japan. Well, I don't think it's going to be a rye then, but I can believe that this is a Japanese whiskey. In fact, now that I'm thinking about it, it kind of reminds me of Hibiki, the Harmony series, which I thought was kind of rye-like, and one that I wasn't totally enamored of. Japanese whiskey. Okay, well, let's look at the card. So the cards have a decoration on the front that usually tell you a little bit about what the origin is. And then they have the lovely flavor spiral on the back, which Flaviar does a good job with, helps me pick out flavors that I might not know. And another whiskey I have never tasted, another distillery that I really don't know about. And I will butcher this name, so you're welcome. Kujira Rikyu. It's a Kujira Rikyu whiskey. Japanese whiskey at 40%. Yeah, I figured it was a pretty low ABV. It didn't have much at all on the nose and even the taste. But the big flavors are the caramel, the sweet, oak, brine, jasmine. That would be that vegetal note. That was the plant I was getting on the nose that really kind of threw me off. Big toffee taste, yeah, the toffee and vanilla, a lot of sweetness on the nose especially, but the jasmine is what tossed me for a loop. Okay, now I'm keeping these short because I don't want to waste hours of your time. I have 24 of these in a row. This is only day 3. I hope you're enjoying the series. Let me know in the comments if you're enjoying it, what you like about it. If you'd like me to do more videos in the future that may not be advent calendars, but are shorter time frame videos, if those are easier for you to digest, I certainly can do something like that. Thank you for stopping by for day 3, and until tomorrow, cheers.